Yeah, let's. All right. So I've I've prepared this little thing just to give you an idea of what I need you to do. And so, all right. All right. So this job I think is pretty easy because because um there's a very detailed standard operating practices thing, and it really goes through everything. 2,000 to 3,000 words, and it tells you exactly what to write. Um, so I know it's a bit of a slog to go through it, but it's actually very, very easy stuff. Um, it's all very straightforward stuff, and it literally, I mean, it it just says everything that you should do, and it's very simple, very very straightforward, despite how the instructions might look. Um, so this SOP tells you everything you need to know. The actual content is super simple stuff. Um, so let's see. AddictiveTips.com is the website. I encourage you to check it out. Just one or two articles. This is very simple stuff. So let's see. So let's go to more. VPN privacy. It's not the fastest site in the business apparently, but all right. So you're going to get a check IP address and NFL IPTV. So I'm just putting these titles for you here. And then if you have time and energy, I want you to do one more for me. But let's start with two. So, you have a thing. Oh, get a check IP address. And we have an article here, an example, how to get a Colombian IP address. So, basically you just start with the introduction. The introduction, I should mention what they want right at the very end, and the introduction should just basically say what you're going to be covering in the article. Then there's just then basically you do whatever you want. Standard thing is to do this section, important VPN criteria, and then you just go into the VPNs. You can write up to 250 words about each one, 100 to 250. You can cover up to 5 of them. It's pretty straightforward stuff, really. And so yeah, you just cover it. It's super simple. You need to know what each VPN does, but you need to know what each VPN does, but there's a file for that, and I linked you to it. It's called a VPN USP master list. So for 3 of the VPNs, 3 of the services, it fully lists everything you need to know about them. The other ones, honestly, what I just do is go here, look at 2 articles, so pure VPN. So I look at one, I look at another, I copy everything, and then I just make my bit a combination of those 2 bits. It's really super simple. Aside from that, another big thing, they want about 8 internal links in each article, and these internal links have to be not in the VPN section, but like in the intro sections and outro sections. So you just throw 8 in, they're all here. And that's pretty much it. Follow the SOP file. For internal links, use this. And to understand what each VPN does and what makes them special, simply look at the USP file. These are your two titles. These ones are for me. So essentially, that's really it. So the other article for you will be NFL IPTV. Or actually, I'll probably take that and let you do the best VPN for Zimbabwe. Or whatever. You choose which one of these you want, and you let me know. I'm going to start with the best VPN for Cuba and Armenia. Wait, no, hold on. I'm being confusing. No, do NFL IPTV. Unless you ask me what you want to change. So let's see. NBA IPTV addictive tips.com. So, there, how to watch NBA games without cable. That's an article from this year. So honestly, you can and probably should just model your thing, based on this. So wait, alright, tell you what, I'm definitely gonna do that. Alright, so sorry. You get two straightforward articles: how to get the Czech IP address and the best VPN for Cuba. This is a new kind of thing, and I'll have to figure this out. So anyway, that's it. That's what you have to do. Do that, and $200 or whatever much you write divided by 20, because it's 5 cents a word. That's how much money you're gonna get. Unfortunately, like I said, it does take these guys a while to pay for stuff. But other than that, yeah, let's roll. Let's do it.